Hello, Mom. Yeah, this is me. Uh, yeah, I know. Uh, Um, well, I have something to tell you. And, see, I was driving along eh, and I ran off the road and into the ditch and hit a tree. Um, yeah, I'm alright, but, uh, um, the car, it's not what it, used to be, Mom. Yeah, Mom. I Yeah, it's alright. Um, anyway, I'm just calling for an ambulance and no, Mom. It's just fine. I'm alright. Um, anyway, uh, my legs really hurt me, and no, Mom. I'm alright. I'll, I guess I'll be seeing you soon. No, Mom, it's fine. Yes, Mom. No, Mom, it's fine. Mom.